Guys, it's your boy John, and we got an iDoing head unit. Now this is for the Camry. So if you wanted to get a Camry head unit, you say you had an older Camry, you just want Bluetooth, you want to have Carplay and app, all that goodness, Apple and Android, this is where it's at. And it's gonna sound better than the original unit. Now right off the bat, we have the harnesses. iDoing is always providing these trim pieces, making removal that much easier. Now with the Camry, you have to remove the center shift bezel area and all that stuff, so all that trim needs to go. We're gonna have the best possible install because they already have the tools. Now it is a lot of wires, but let's just kind of talk it through. You have your USB adapter here, you have RCA jacks, the harness, everything is plug and play with this guy. So it's really nice. You'll still be able to retain your steering wheel controls too if your car has it. I'm not sure if the Camry does, but it's built in right on the box if you do have it. We have the warranty card from iDoing, QR code, 2-year warranty. You can't go wrong with that. Now, we got quality control pass on October, so it's the same month, so this is more red. This thing is fresh. Now pulling it out, we got the good foam. iDoing does a really good job packaging their products, foam on foam, not cheap styrofoam. It's really nice. Now checking this out, look at this. This foam is cut to fit. It's beautiful, look at that. Got one on each side. It's really important to protect the corners of these. You definitely don't want it to crack during shipping. So iDoing secures it. On top of that, we have this nice, this plastic feels nice. Like it's a thicker plastic. It's not like your cheaper shopping grocery bag. So this is the unit right here. Now, this is for the Camry. You're gonna have your climate controls right here, and you just have the Camry infotainment system up here. You're gonna remove your original radio, but for my fitment, stuff like that, I know this is gonna be super nice. It's gonna fit just as nice as OEM. Now looking at the paint finish and stuff like that, so it's pretty nice right here, even though you don't really see it, but up front, it's really smooth, no texture, just a nice matte finish, which is good. Now you also have the screen protector on. You can leave it on. I usually remove it off during install because it's not as smooth as glass, so it's a little bit grippy, and you should remove it because it's not really meant to stay on. Moving towards the back of the unit, we have Toyota. So all this stuff is going to be plug and play, which is nice. You're going to use your existing cables. You don't have to splice anything. It's just plug and play. You plug in your 10 pin, you plug in your 6 pin. That's going to give you power, front audio, rear audio, dimmer switch capabilities and stuff like that. 28 pins, usually reverse cameras. And if your car has it, e-brake and stuff like that on this one, steering wheel controls. Now, it varies throughout the years. Toyota might change the pin layouts. It's up to them. That's how it is with other cars too. Even if it's the same model year, like 2015 to 2020, it's the same car. They do change the pin layout for some reason. These are your accessories right here. Think RCA jacks, again, backup camera, extra USBs go here. Now these things aren't here, so this thing doesn't really have 4G LTE capabilities, but you can buy one of those adapters and plug it into one of these slots. GPS antenna right here. Just screw it on, and then your radio antenna. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Single DIN, I like it when it's a single DIN layout because you just have much more space to work in. There isn't a big difference between a double DIN and a single DIN, so you definitely like it like this. It's just better. Now I don't see any micro SD slots, unfortunately, but it's not necessarily needed because you do have USBs. And then you have your whole layout right here when you need to install it. But you don't really need it because everything's plug and play. So yeah, here is the iDoing Camry. Expect it to kick it off right off. Like, expect this video very soon. This is a 64 gig storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and the processor's probably really amazing too. So I'm excited to install this. This is gonna go into a good home. Thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in this head unit in particular, check the links down below, and I'll probably link the video of me installing it so you guys can do it at home and save money. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.